Do you want to see which growing method produces bigger, healthier tomato plants in just 1 month without spending a fortune? Well, today I'm comparing two Birdie Juan Microdorf tomato plants that I started from seed on November 30th, 2025. Both seeds germinated and seem to be growing at almost the same rate. These plants are now just over a month old, and they've had slightly different growing journeys from the start. The larger plant began its life in hydroponics when I potted it up on December 2nd, 2025. The smaller plant was put into soil the same day. And today, January 10th, 2026, the one on the left was potted up into a larger container that I made from a 1-gallon vinegar bottle. Let's take a closer look at how each plant is developing and see what differences their early growing conditions have made. Okay, these are the two Birdie Juan plants that were growing together in the same bottle. I managed to wiggle them apart. They were both the same size, but now that I've got them out, I see that the stem on the one in hydroponics is a little sturdier. So I'll keep that in mind. But other than that, we're going to kind of keep an eye on them and see which one grows faster. We have two Birdie Juans. One was grown in soil and one in hydroponics. Hydroponics started out better, but I'm going to move that into soil, I think. Every other time that I compared hydroponics and soil, the one in hydroponics has done better. But this got me to wondering if maybe my hydroponic nutrients have expired or something, because they don't seem to be doing their job. But then I compared these two plants, which were both started the same day. They're both different varieties, though. The one on the left still looks pretty healthy. It's not as big as the other one, but that could be because of the different varieties. The one on the right was definitely attacked by fungus gnats. I've sprayed it with a little spritz of neem oil, but I'm not entirely sure this plant is going to make it. This video was created for the hashtag Microdorf 2025-2026 collab that is hosted by Gail from Gail's Southern Living and myself. If you'd like to join along and need some seeds, feel free to email me at brokebutbountifullyblessed532@yahoo.com, and I'll be happy to mail you some out. We're planning to have a live giveaway at the end of this collab in early April. We're still working out the details on that, but we've got some nice prizes lined up. Some of them are for leaving a nice comment on one of the videos in the playlist, and some will be for people who post videos. And depending on what we get, we may have prizes, hashtag prizes, to give away too. So be sure to leave a nice comment, make a video, or at least come to the live. Also, if you create a video, please email me at brokebutbountifullyblessed532@yahoo.com so that I can add it to the playlist.